Welcome back guys with another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of some products that I got from Fenty Beauty. Okay, so I got this soft matte Longwear foundation from Fenty Beauty. You will see two of them in this video. I actually got two of them just because I'm still trying to find the right shade for my skin. Not sure about this one, but I'm going to try to play around with both of them, and if one of them is a little bit lighter and the other one is darker, I'm gonna try to mix them together and see how they look. And I also have the primer. You already know how to get the primer. I have to see how these products look. Hopefully it matches my skin. Like I said, I still have to play around with it, try to find my shade. Look at this cute little sponge. I can't. And I did have to try these, so I am in love with this color. It's really cute. I love the color and I think it's popular in their website, so yes, I want to try it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please subscribe for more.